Hey guys and girls, so we're going to change things up this week. Hopefully you've heard from your other teachers, but school-wide, teachers are taking this week to um, adjust the workload that we're pushing out to students. So you will not see any new assignments from me this week at all. You are going to get one assignment that is actually just a survey. So the survey I am using to collect information on how you feel about the workload for my classes in particular. So please look for that survey. It's under classwork. I believe I'll push it out today. And it's just 3 questions. Take a look at those questions, turn that in when you're done. And I'm going to use the information from your responses in this survey to inform how much work I push out to you all from this point forward. So starting next week, we'll go back to doing content related work. And so far, I've been pushing out about 3 assignments per week, 2 or 3 warm-ups per week. And I may just stick with that, but I'm going to wait to see how you all feel about the workload that you're getting, considering what you all have to do in other classes as well. So I would advise for you all, since you're not getting any work from most of your teachers this week, I would suggest that you check out Aries, especially in my class, especially seniors. Check out Aries, and if you have any missing work there, I would prioritize working on that missing work. Because I'm not putting anything into Aries right now, the only assignments that are really affecting your grade right now are the assignments that were already in the grade book before our COVID lockdown. So I would prioritize those, get those missing assignments in. If you need any of them again, contact me. I do have some that I'm working on grading right now, but once we figure out how we're going to proceed with this grading thing, we'll be, I'm sure, moving over grades from Google Classroom into Aries. So for the rest of you, most grades you're just going to see via Google Classroom. So make sure that you're checking Google Classroom for grades, and I think that's it. No new work for you all this week. Use this time to catch up on missing assignments. If you've fallen behind on any of your distance learning assignments, all your online work, then I would suggest taking some time to do that as well. But that's pretty much it. It should be a pretty mellow week. Please, please, please complete that survey. I would like to know how to adjust work for you all. And like always, feel free to contact me via email with any questions. And that's it. I miss you guys. And yeah, we'll jump back into work next week.